This is the Ellis Martin Report and Money Talk Radio. Join me now for a conversation with Victor Cantore, President and CEO of Amex Exploration, trading under the symbol AMX on the TSX Venture Exchange, and in the U.S. on the OTCQX as AMXEF. The company's flagship Perron Gold Project in Quebec's Abitibi region is 100% owned. Perron continues generating strong results across multiple high-priority zones. Explore all the project details at AMXExploration.com. Let's get right into it with Victor. Victor, welcome back to the program. It's once again great to speak with you today. How are you?
Oh, I'm great. Thank you. There's so much going on. So excited. I know we'll be talking often because as we continue meeting these milestones that we've promised, we're going to keep talking about it to explain what we've achieved and what we continue to achieving.
Tell me about the feasibility study for phase one of the Perron Gold Project right now in Quebec.
Absolutely. What's really amazing is that we did say we're going to do a phased approach. And the phase one is basically the toll milling. What's exciting about it is the fact that we started our feasibility study. The feasibility study is going to require, and we're going to be able to show the market where we're going to be sending our ore to be treated. What's really been nice also is that we've been maintaining a schedule. If somebody would look at our PowerPoint where we have the Gantt chart, we talked about launching the feasibility, and we're expected to have this feasibility done sometime in the first half of 2026. What this really does, it brings us closer now to being able to produce. If you look at our PA that we have out there, we're talking about producing 102,000 ounces a year with a $146 million CapEx, but in reality, it's going to be pre-production. That's going to come down. That 146 ends up becoming $77 million. So it really shows that we're putting ourselves a lot closer to being a near-term producer. That's where we positioned ourselves, and that's the path that we're going down right now.
What do you think, a near-term producer and someday a mid-tier producer? Is that on the horizon?
Look, we're going to start with being a near-term producer, 102,000 ounces a year. Our first 10 years, you're looking at 112,000 ounces with an all-in sustaining cost. In the first 4 years, you're looking at $1,165. If I use $3,200 gold, which is $700 lower than what gold is right now, you'd end up making about $300 million Canadian of free cash flow a year. This is really great. I'm really happy with everything that we're doing and how the project is advancing.
Victor, we're about a hair away from $4,000 an ounce gold right now. Do you think that's sustainable over time? And how does that change your metrics for profitability down the road?
What's really exciting about our project is when you see how profitable this project really is and where gold is going to go. It's a hard question for me to answer, but when you look at our numbers, how they are, in at $3,400 gold, which is $600 lower than what it is today, you're looking at a pre-tax free cash flow of $5 billion. My payback after tax would be 0.4 years. That's about 5 months. And on a pre-tax basis, it's 0.2. So, and then if I go one step even further, let's say gold decides to cut in half and goes back down to $2,000 gold. My payback period, I know it's nonsense. I know, but look, my payback period is going to be 2 years and a 47% IRR. At $3,400 gold, which is still $600, almost $600 lower than what it is, we're at 107% IRR. What's really great for us, and I stay humble, is it's a high-grade gold deposit right beside the town, right beside the city. There's workforce, there's water, there's electricity. We're far enough from the city. We're about 5 kilometers away from the city. So it's close enough to take advantage of all its infrastructure and provide jobs for the local community. But we're far enough not to disturb them. There's nothing major in permitting that would affect this project.
So really the economics, the jurisdiction, and the location could not be better.
What's really interesting, this is where I invite everybody to go to our website and look at our land package that we have right now. If you go on page 6, for example, and you look at the right side and the Perron side on the Quebec side, that's where all the gold is right now. 2.3 million ounces. It's 45 square kilometers. We're on the Abitibi Greenstone belt. We control right now 35 kilometers on strike. We control almost 200 square kilometers. Exploration is still going. So we're going on two paths. Definitely we're going to become a producer. We're showing that, and we're definitely going to be exploring. What's really exciting on the exploration side, all the flow through that we've recently raised, so we're funded for a little over 100,000 meters from now till the end of 2026. So I'm going to continue growing this thing. Already it has fantastic economics, and growing it, I don't know any other company that controls this much land in the Abitibi Greenstone belt.
It looks like the market has responded very nicely to your story, especially over the last 3 months. You've almost doubled in share price with a lot of potential upside yet to come. And I use the word potential because we never know, but it looks really good. And I've seen stocks shoot up to $10 or $20 with much less than what you have going over the past few years.
Oh, absolutely. And when you look at the financial metrics, like when you look at one of the ratios there, you look at your post-tax NPV against your CapEx. Usually 2 is good. 2 times is good because the project passes. Well, at 4 is like amazing. If I use $3,400 gold, which is, again, $600 lower than what it is here today, it's 13 times. And if I use $2,500 gold, it's 7 times. Those are fantastic numbers. And when you look at our CapEx where we are today, when you look at our market cap, and you're looking at $400 million market cap against an NPV at 3,400 is almost a 1.9 billion. We're trading around 0.2 times. Our company that starts a feasibility and then starts construction. Construction could conceivably start as early as February or March of 2026, you should be trading at 0.7, 0.8 times. And I know companies that are not producing yet, but just they're advanced with a feasibility and they're financed for construction, and they're trading over 1 times that. Like there's 3, 4, 5 times of possibility here. It's really fantastic. And again, it's really location and high grade. Can't ask for better than that.
Victor, it's always great to catch up with you. Check in with me in a bit, won't you?
I will, soon coming up. Other milestones. We're going to be hitting them and we'll be talking again. Thanks a lot.
I've been speaking with Victor Cantore, President and CEO of Amex Exploration, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol AMX, and in the U.S. on the OTCQX as AMXEF. Go to their website, AMXExploration.com. For Money Talk Radio and the Ellis Martin Report, I'm Ellis Martin.